pupunta. And second, of course, it's us representing our home networks, GMA Pictures and ABS-CBN as well. So, pag pumunta kami sa awarding tomorrow, nakaka-proud na bilang Pinoy na naging part tayo ng ganong klase.
It's an honor. Yes, po.
And what do you guys expect to, once you guys are on stage and talking to all those international viewers that are going to watch the show, watch the film over at the Asian World Film Festival?
Yeah, we're excited to tell the world what our film is all about, and how Filipinos are, as filmmakers, the content that we're able to bring to the table globally. I think that's just something that we are proud of, and it's high time that we showcase that to the whole world. So we're just very excited and we're very grateful.
Kat, last time you were here was for Very Good Girls. So parang similar schedule, right? You had all these meetings, all these junkets. Did you give him any advice on how to... It's a very interesting and grueling...
Hi, Alden! Baby wave. Feeling close. Alden, hi! Hi, Alden! Hi, Kat! Ang ganda ng movie nyo! Catherine! Lingon lang, Lin! Lingon! Lingon lang, lingon! Alden!
There's something